What kind of sound will be heard when a nuclear bomb explodes? This sound, resembling a radio transmission, is known as an EMP or electromagnetic pulse from a nuclear explosion. When a nuclear bomb detonates, one might expect to hear a tremendous roar, but that is not the case. The reason for this radio-like sound is due to the gamma rays. After the gamma rays detonate, a large shock wave begins to propagate. In an actual experiment, it was found that the ground shook about 30 seconds after the nuclear bomb dropped, and the shaking occurs because the ground is being sucked into the mushroom cloud. After the experiment, all the soil in that area, totaling 12 million tons, evaporated. However, this experiment is not the maximum power of a nuclear bomb. The most powerful explosive in history is Russia's Tsar Bomba, and the explosive power of Tsar Bomba is about 800 times that of the previously shown experiment.